Hey, yo. Listen, all he wants you to do is glow.
Oh my God, what kind of place is this you running? Do you know how long I've been standing out here? I've been sitting out here just waiting. I'm standing at the man like the IHOP that open. I'm sitting up here waiting on you to come out. You got me sitting up here waiting. I rode the bus up here because I can't drive right now.
Accept my apology, and I'll tell you what, we'll go a minute over to make up.
And look, I got people to go and places to meet, and you sit up here got me waiting. I ain't got all day. I really don't want to be here. Thank you much.
Again, I'm sorry to.
Yeah, you're sorry, all right.
Waiting a whole minute.
I really appreciate that.
Yes, ma'am.
I just ain't got that kind of time.
Excuse me, would you
What?
please sit on the couch?
Please, I'm sitting down. You told me to come up in here. Now, you can't be coming in with all these instructions and stuff. I really don't want to be here.
Yes, this is where we have the patients sit. So that
patients? You say you acting like I'm sick or something. Ain't nothing wrong with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I got ordered by the doctor to come here because I got anger management problem. They got this thing on my leg, and I got to do this. Now, the judge sent me here because he says I have anger management problem.
Do you agree with that?
Do you think I agree with it? Do you think I'd be mad as hell as coming up in here? First of all, I was standing out there catching that bus out there, the 77 that come through here, and it's hot. Do you know how hot it is in Houston?
Yes.
Well, since you're a Christian counselor, right?
Yes.
I gotta ask you a question, because it's hot.
Yes.
What God got the temperature on? Hell?
I'm a Christian counselor, and I believe the Word of God is sufficient to solve all of man's problems.
Okay.
Everything that pertains to life and godliness. So we don't do drugs, and we don't do play therapy, we don't do real therapy. We simply look at our attitudes, values, beliefs, and behaviors, compare them to the Scriptures, and see what needs to be changed to become more in line with what Christ would have us to be.
None of that really concerns me. Ain't it?
Okay, now, little psychobabble for you.
What the hell did you just say? You call me what? You call me a psycho bastard?
I recommend JC.
JC?
Jesus Christ. No. However, in your case, I'm going to write you another prescription for JB and JD, and I think that'll help you better than that.
Let's see what this all about. Here it comes, baby. Oh, somebody.
They're only gonna laugh at you.
The stories in the Bible, they ain't in there.
Can I get a ring?